What's going on, guys? Ken here, developer relations at Taoshi. Taoshi works on SNA, or proprietary trading network, on Bittensor. I read the Dynamic TAO white paper so you wouldn't have to. Here's a couple things that I found interesting. Dynamic TAO, or dTAO for short, is a complete overhaul of TAO emissions and how they're allocated. And as a DeFi guy, this just makes a lot of sense to me. In the current landscape of Bittensor, validator controlled TAO emissions. TAO emissions go through this voting-based system, and what that does is it creates a couple problems. First, it's a manual process, so it means it doesn't scale well. Bittensor is trying to add more subnets in the future, and we need something more dynamic. Second, because it's manual, it lends itself to manipulation. Validators can favor subnets that they have a personal stake in. And lastly, some validators just don't care to vote accurately. It's a full-time job. So the fix, well, the hope is that Dynamic TAO will fix this. Dynamic TAO replaces the voting-based system with an open market-based approach. Instead of validators deciding emissions, it's determined by subnet token prices. If a subnet is valuable, the market will reflect that naturally. So here's how it works. Each subnet will have its own token. Subnet 1, alpha, subnet 2, beta, 3, gamma. They're Greek letters, so SNA will have theta token, which actually looks really cool. I'm going to have fun playing around designing with the logo. But each subnet will have its own token and a liquidity pool. So on one side, you'll have Dynamic TAO. On the other, you'll have your subnet token. And the ratio between those two assets will determine the price of that token. It's almost like the earlier versions of Uniswap. In the Uniswap liquidity pools, everything was paired against ETH. Here, everything will be paired against TAO. So higher price of these tokens, the more emissions. The lower price, the less emissions. The market literally decides what's valuable. And that's the beauty of it. It's decentralized. No validator bias, no easy manipulation. The market decides what's valuable, not a handful of people. And as Bittensor grows, the market adjusts naturally. No bottlenecks, no manual oversight needed. Hopefully it just works. So that's dTAO. Check out Taoshi at taoshi.io, Taoshi.io on Twitter. Hit me up for any questions about Taoshi and Dynamic TAO. Look for more videos. I'll probably add more videos to explain more things on Bittensor, but this is just a quick little rundown on dTAO.